Hello everyone, Clay Franklin from Corning here today. Today I want to take the time to introduce and splice on one of our new FuseLite 2 SC-UPC 900 micron connectors using an Ilsentech KF4 fusion splicer. So first, you remove the top to the extra blister pack. Then there is a tape that helps keep all the components in the blister pack. So you remove that. Then I'm going to need my heat shrink first. So I get my heat shrink out and I get my boot out. Then I'm going to come to my 900 micron fiber. I'm going to load that like so. Get that on. Then you will come here, get your heat shrink on, like so. Then you're going to come in and you're going to go into your strip clean and cleave. First you're going to remove your 900 micron. Next you will remove your 250 micron. Then get a lint-free wipe and some fiber clean solution. Clean your fiber. And then you're going to come down to the cleaver. You're going to set it up and cleave in between 7 and 8 micron. You come back in, and now you have your cleave fiber. So you're going to go ahead and lift your lid to your fusion splicer. Lift the clamp, insert in, and get the end of the fiber near the center of the electrodes. So that's your field side. Next, you're going to come in, you're going to remove your pre-strip, pre-cleave SC connector. You're going to remove the handler from the fusion splicer. You're going to lay it in to the handler with the red dot up. Place it back in the fusion splicer, close your lid. And it's going to automatically bring the things together, measure, and splice. As you can see, we got a 0.01 fusion splice. So now what you're going to do is lift your lid. Lift your lids on both of your handlers. You're going to remove the splice. And I like to hold it vertically and bring in my heat shrink like so. Bring it into it. Get it over the splice and touching both pieces of 900 micron. You want to lift your heat shrink oven, and you'll see the area there on the right that says SOC. So then it's all you got to do is come in, close that, close that back up, and then all you have to do is hit heat on the fusion splicer. And it starts to go through its process of heating the heat shrink down on the fusion splice. Always keep in mind, after you get done doing the splice and removing it from the heat shrink oven, you have got to give it a few moments, 20 seconds to cool down. If you do that, you're going to save yourself problems down the road during installation when you go to test it. So at this point, I'm going to take it out. As you can see, it is shrunk. So I'm going to lay it down on top of the fusion splicer, close my lid back. And while it's cooling, I'm going to start bringing my boot assembly up. Okay. I'm going to give it another 5 seconds, and then I'm going to assemble the connector. So you'll see on the assembly there's holes on each side. So what you're going to want to do is those holes go away from the red dot. So you snap it together. Now they're locked into place. Now you go back, you can set this down. Now you can go back to your package, get your final step, which is your shroud. With the key facing up. You want to line that up with the red dot and pop it together. And that is a FuseLite 2 SCU-PC 900 micron connector on 900 micron fiber. Thank you. Have a good day.